In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect local dataset in Jupyter. By the end, you'll have your data loaded into a notebook and ready to explore. First, place your dataset in the same folder that Jupyter is using as your workspace. This is usually the folder you open when you launch Jupyter. The simplest way is to open that folder on your computer and drag your dataset into it. Keeping the file in the same location as your notebook helps avoid file path errors later. Make sure the file name is clear and simple, and note its exact name and extension, like sales.data.csv. If your operating system hides extensions, enable them so you can confirm it's really a CSV. Next, open Jupyter in your browser and create a new notebook. In the top menu, click File, hover over New, and choose Notebook. This will open a fresh, empty notebook with a code cell ready to use. If prompted to pick a kernel, select Python. It's a good idea to immediately rename the notebook to something meaningful so you can find it later. Now, let's load the dataset. In the first cell, type the following 3 lines, each on its own line. Import pandas as PD. Then df equals PD. Read CSV, sales data, CSV, and then df.head. When you're ready, run the cell. You can click the Run button or press Shift plus Enter. Here's what each line does. Importing pandas gives you access to powerful data tools. Read CSV tells pandas to open the CSV file in your folder and store it in a data frame called df. And head displays the first few rows so you can quickly verify that the data loaded correctly. If you see a file not found error, double-check the file name, including capitalization and extension, and confirm the file sits in the same folder as your notebook. If you see garbled characters, your file might need a different encoding, but most standard CSVs will load fine with the default settings. That's it. Your local dataset is connected and visible in Jupyter, and you're ready to analyze.